The year is 1732. Edo, the world's largest city, sprawls with wooden houses and tiled roofs, alive with the clamor of daily life. Yet, hidden behind paper screens and between crowded homes, small gardens thrive, patches of daikon, beans, and greens. These are not the grand gardens of the elite, but humble plots carved from alleys and backyards, tended by ordinary people. In the samurai districts, even proud families grow vegetables to stretch their stipends. In the merchant quarters, a few pots on a balcony or a shared plot behind a shop can mean the difference between hunger and a meal. These gardens are a quiet rebellion against the city's relentless order, connecting neighbors and offering a taste of nature amid the urban sprawl. From above, Edo is a sea of rooftops. At ground level, life pushes up in green rows, hidden but vital. Here, in these secret gardens, the city's true heart beats. Edo's gardens mirrored its social order. Samurai families grew vegetables for thrift and dignity, supplementing their rice stipends with radishes and greens. For commoners, a tiny plot was survival, a defense against hunger when incomes faltered. Every scrap was used, every surplus traded with neighbors, weaving a web of mutual support. Gardening was a community affair, seeds exchanged, tips shared, and harvests bartered for tofu or fish. These small acts of cooperation were social insurance, ensuring no one faced hardship alone. In Edo, gardens were not just about food. They were about resilience and connection. Feeding 1 million people was a constant challenge for Edo. The city's food supply was fragile, vulnerable to storms and bad harvests. A small garden offered a buffer, food grown by your own hands, immune to market chaos. The shogunate encouraged urban gardening, distributing seeds for hardy crops like sweet potatoes. Waste was recycled. Night soil collectors gathered fertilizer, closing the loop between city and soil. These gardens were practical, but also spiritual, a way to stay connected to the seasons and nature. Every household played a part, turning scraps and effort into sustenance. In Edo, even the smallest plot was a lifeline. Edo's rules shaped every aspect of life, but in the garden, people found rare freedom. Here, a shopkeeper or samurai's wife could decide what to plant, when to harvest, and how to nurture life. This autonomy was a quiet antidote to the city's rigid expectations. The garden was a private space, a patch of solitude in a crowded world. For many, especially women, it was a place to experiment, learn, and earn respect. Pride grew alongside the vegetables, a sense of achievement that belonged to the gardener alone. In these small green spaces, Edo's people found independence and peace. The garden was their quiet escape. Meet Osane, a widowed woman in Kanda, whose world has shrunk to her tiny home and a sunlit strip of earth behind it. Each morning she tends her beans, greens, and a precious cucumber vine, knowing every inch of her garden's quirks. She enriches her soil with kitchen scraps and trades with neighbors, eggplants for fish, greens for mending. Her garden is more than food. It's her link to the community, a reason to connect and share. Through her plants, Osane finds purpose and dignity, structuring her days around their needs. The garden gives her satisfaction, a visible sign of her skill and hard work. In a city that can be lonely, her patch of earth offers food, friendship, and independence. Osani's garden is her sanctuary, a small world she shapes with her own hands. Here, she is not just surviving but living. In Edo, even the smallest garden can be a lifeline. Edo's hidden gardens formed a quiet safety net, supplementing the city's official food stores. Manuals and neighborly wisdom guided gardeners through the seasons, passing down survival skills. Yet these plots were fragile. Drought, storms, or disaster could wipe them out as easily as the fields beyond the city. They were a buffer, not a fortress, never enough to save all in famine, but always enough to offer hope. Their true value was in resilience, community, and the independence they fostered. In a world of strict control, these gardens were a testament to the human need to nurture life. Beneath Edo's rooftops, green hope persisted, quiet, vital, and enduring. The city's heartbeat in every hidden row.